Hey everyone, what's up? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool new model I just designed. Check it out. It's an origami outfit. And it's not folded from one square sheet of paper, but it is folded from one sheet of paper though. This is folded from half of a square. And yeah, so the really cool thing about this is that it's from one sheet. See? So here's the shirt, and it's got pants. And yeah, check it out. Here's the backside. And it's really easy to make, and I'm going to show you how to fold it right now. Alright, ready, set, here goes. My one-piece origami outfit. And yeah, and it's got really nice pants here. It's got a really nice shirt with really nice sleeves. And yep. And I also put a little curved mountain fold here to suggest a collar. And yeah, and what's also cool about this model is that you can make it stand. Okay. So I put a couple mountain folds here to allow it to stand. And it stands just like this. See? How cool is that? Alright. Now I'm going to teach you how to fold it. Okay. Okay, so for this tutorial I'm going to use 6-inch kami. So we only need half, so begin either side up. I'm so used to starting right side up. And fold in half. Crease sharply and unfold. And you could use scissors to cut along that line like this, but I don't like using scissors because it's longer and it's not quite as exact in my opinion, so I like to tear it off. And if you are tearing it off, I recommend reversing the crease a couple times. Just makes it easier. Okay, and now make a tear on the top like this, and now place it down like this, and separate your hands, and the tear should go all the way down, nicely on the crease, just like this. See? So you can make 2 outfits from 1 square. Alright, so here we go. So let's begin white side up, so this will give me a white shirt with green pants. So white side up, and fold in half. This really isn't such a difficult model, so if you're new to folding, then this is a good model for you to try out. It's pretty easy. This is actually almost like a Simple Sunny tutorial. Okay, unfold and fold in half this way. It might look kind of difficult to fold, but it's a lot easier than it looks though. Alright, now fold this edge to the crease. Crease sharply. Okay, and now fold in half again. And unfold. Actually shouldn't have done that. The crease is already there. Alright, take this edge and fold it to the crease, to the middle. And make sure you hold the layers down so they don't slide. And repeat on this side. Hold the layers down. Okay, so this thicker end, those are going to be the pants, and this part is going to be the shirt. So let's work on the shirt first. So we're going to take this part and we're going to fold it up, and God, I lost my pointer, hold on, let me get my pointer. Okay, so we're going to take this and we're going to fold it up right in between this point of this crease and this point, like this. Be careful so you don't tear the paper there. Okay, like this. Crease sharply, and repeat on this side. Fold this up in between here and this point. Okay, just like this. Crease sharply. Alright, like this. And now turn over and let's fold these 2 things up right over the edge. Okay, like that. These are going to be the 2 sleeves, by the way. And might as well go ahead and work on the sleeves. So what we're going to do is, this is really up to you. This is to taste, but make sure you're folding right on this point. So we're going to take this, let's look at it from this side. So we're going to fold this up right on this point, and then you can look at it from this side. And Let me just get my green here so you can see it better. Uh-oh. Hello. There you go. Alright, so we're folding on that point, and this is just how far you want your sleeve. So if you want it like really far out, fold it over more. But if you want like a really small sleeve, fold it less. I say I'm just gonna do it about like this, somewhere in between. You're on your own with this. This is to taste. Yeah, there you go. I'm good with that. And then you can crease sharply. Okay. And repeat on this side. And you can just match what you did here. Okay, just like that. And there's our sleeves. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is, now this is up to you for this. Okay. Okay, so if you want your shirt to look like it's on top of the pants, see, like this, then make a mountain fold in between these 2 points, and that's what I'm gonna do, like this. But if you want the pants to look like they're on top of their shirt, like this, see, look at the difference here. See how on this one the shirt looks like it's on top, and on this one the pants are on top of the shirt. So that's just how you make the fold. So if you want the shirt to be on top of the pants, make a mountain fold in between these 2 points, like this. And when you fold it, make sure the crease aligns with that edge. And then take this crease and fold it to this crease right here, or to that point, like this. Okay? See? And that'll make your shirt on top of the pants like this. But if you want the pants to be on top of your shirt, then make this fold and take this fold and fold it onto this crease, or to these 2 points right here. See? And then that'll make the pants on top of the shirt. I'm gonna make the shirt on top of the pants, so like this. See? Just like that. So you can choose there. You got a choice. Okay. Yep, so flatten it like this, or if your pants are on top of the shirt, flatten it like this. See, you can look at it from here. Okay. And now turn over and let's lock this together. So we're gonna airplane fold these two points. So take this edge and fold it to this crease. And make sure you hold everything down. And crease sharply. Oh, and notice that this edge will not align. It won't quite align with the middle. There's gonna be a little bit of space there, but that's okay. Take this edge and fold it to this crease. See, just like that, and they're not gonna align with the middle. All right, now rotate like this, and now if you want to lock it even better, take this point and fold this point to here. Now, if you're using like really thick paper, then you don't need to do this, but if you're using kami, then you can if you want. This is optional. It's just what makes it lock better. Just fold the point up like this, just to that intersection. Yeah, if you're using like really thick foil or thick paper like printer paper, then that's gonna be quite challenging to do. See, this is thick foil, and I managed to do it. So, yep, it's possible. But that was really hard for me to do, though. I really shouldn't have done that. Alright, now take this flap and fold it back up. Like that. See, now it's really locked together. Okay, and there it is. So if you like it like this, then you're done. But if you want to put some space right here, this white line, to make the pants stand out better, and if you want it to stand on the table like this, then here's how to do that. So let's make the white space. So take this flap and fold it up. This is to taste, so we're folding right on this middle point here. And however much you fold this up, so however much you fold this up, it's going to be half the distance between the pants. Yeah, so if you want the legs of your pants to be really skinny and a lot of space here, fold it more, or fold it less if you want them to be fatter, the pants to be fatter. But I'm just gonna do it about like this, somewhere in between, like this. Okay, and open here and squash. Like that. Make sure you squash it perfectly. And repeat on this side. And you can match what you did right here. Yeah, I'm looking at the viewfinder as I'm doing this, so it's a little bit more challenging for me. Open here and squash. Like this. Okay. And now take this part and fold it behind. It could be to taste, but there is a guide mark also. You can fold it right along these two edges of those green triangles. Or maybe a little bit further, so that way you're not seeing the edges. Yeah, a little bit further, good. And then you can make that fold nice and sharp. Be careful so you don't rip the paper on the edges. Okay, now it looks okay like this, but I don't like how it has these two edges in the middle here. So we're gonna eliminate those edges. So how are we gonna do that? Well, let's unfold here. And this is kind of a tricky step, so do this at your own risk. So if you can't do it, then don't worry about it. It's fine just like this. But here we go. So this is tricky, so do this at your own risk. So we're gonna take this edge, unfold the squash like this, open this pocket, and mount and fold the raw edge right on the crease. And we're folding it in just like this. See? Also on that triangle. So fold it like this. Make sure it goes all the way to the... Uh-oh. Looks like I tore the paper there. That's okay. It might tear a little bit, but that's alright. We're tucking the edge inside, so it's not going to be noticeable. See? Just like that. And then flatten it like that. And let's do that tricky step right here too. So unfold the raw edge. God, maybe I should have used half of a 10-inch square. This is pretty small. Yeah, it'll probably be easier if you use a bigger sheet. Yep, and just mount and fold that edge inside like this. And this is challenging. Remember, if you can't do this, then don't worry, don't do it. Okay, and yeah, that looks better. And now let's mount and fold back on that crease like that. There you go, that looks a lot better. See, there's no extra edges. Alright. And now, if you like it like this when you're done, but let's kind of give it a little bit more shaping, so let's make a collar. So you can just make a little mount and fold, just a curved mount and fold to taste. Like this. Just make a curved mount and fold, just make a collar to taste. See? Like that. There you go. Maybe shape the sleeves a little bit too, three-dimensionalize them, just make a couple pinches right there. Okay, and now let's shape the pants a little bit, so turn over, and if you want, you can just fold this, you can fold this edge up a little bit, if you want. And I'm going to fold it right on this point. And same on this side. To taste. It's completely optional. Yep, and that makes it stand out a little bit better. Okay, and now you can just kind of three-dimensionalize them by just giving a little bit of curvature. This will probably be easier out of foil paper if you're using foil. See, on here, that's what I really did. And same right here too. And then maybe you can valley fold the middle like this. Alright, see? Alright, now if you want it to stand on the table, then let's just make a little mount fold. Bring the two edges together like this. Make sure they're aligning perfectly so it'll stand nice. And just make a little pinch mark right there, just a little mount fold. And repeat here too. Just make a mount fold right there. Ow! Freaking God, I just poked my finger with one of those points. Oh yeah, I think it was that point right there. Ugh, God, that happens to be pretty sharp right there. Okay. Alright. And there it is. And now find a table that's actually smooth. and you have to try and fiddle with it, try and balance it until it stands right. And this can be challenging. Okay, maybe I have to remake those mountain folds. I don't think I made the edges align perfectly. I'm gonna just kind of redo it. You have to kind of experiment with it. Okay, let's try this again. Oh my god. Yeah, this is... I'm gonna try and fold this edge in a little bit. Yeah, this is kind of challenging, so do this at your own risk. Yeah, it's best to actually do it on an actual table instead of on top of something. Find it like a really smooth surface, like what I'm using here. Okay, well, it's not cooperating, so at least you get the idea. So I'm just going to show you with the 10-inch one. So, if you're lucky enough, you can make it stand. There we go, just like that. See, it stands like that. That's really challenging. So, So make those mountain folds at your own risk. But yeah, so there it is, the One Piece outfit. Well, hope you guys were able to fold that and were able to make it stand at least. And if you did manage to make it stand, well, congratulations. And if you did manage to do that, make a demo of it. Make a video of it so I can see it. And put it in the comments below. Alright, hope you guys like this model. Make sure you subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.